How to find blocked people on Snapchat. Hi! For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to find blocked people on Snapchat. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store here and then search or type in the Snapchat. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and you have to wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I do not have that button. That means that my Snapchat is updated. And now, if your application is already updated, we can now start with our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go back to your home page and go to Snapchat. Now, basically, this is how your Snapchat will look like, or it will lead you directly here. On the upper left corner, you will see your profile or your Bitmoji. You have to click on that. And here you will see your information about your stories, your friends, Spotlight and Snap, and many more. Now on the upper right, you will see the settings icon. Click on that. Here you will see your name, your username, your birth date, your mobile number, your email, and basically many more. You can also see here your privacy control, your support, your feedback. But what we want to do is to find the block area or the part where the list of blocked people are there. So all you have to do is scroll all the way down and here you will see blocked. Now you click on blocked and as you can see here, I only have one person blocked. Now the thing here is you want to unblock the person. So on beside that blocked person's name, you will see an X mark. Now if you click on that X mark, you will unblock that person. Now let's say yes. Now as you can see, you don't have any blocked people already. So basically that is how you find the blocked people on Snapchat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day. Thank you.